Hello guys, so in this video I'll show you how to set up your Fedora 42 for multimedia. Like if you have just installed Fedora and some video files are not playing, so I'll tell you how to set up it from the start. Okay, the first step is you need to update. This is the first step. You need to do this after installing your Fedora. Sudo dnf up. So this is the first step that you need to do. Okay, as you can see, there are lots of files that you need to download and let it update. So after it is finished, you need to restart, and when you come back, then again I'll show you what to do. Okay, so second step is then you need to again open terminal, and now we'll move to a browser. We need to open a browser, so I'm opening Firefox, and you need to search RPM Fusion Multimedia. Okay, so you need to click this first link. Okay, now we need to add some repositories, so you need to open this link in new tab. It's here. So we need this. We need to copy this link, Fedora with DNF. As you can see, we have copied this link. Then we'll open our terminal and paste this link here. I am using Ctrl+Shift+V to paste. We have pasted it. Now it will ask for some permissions. Then we'll press Y if it asks. Okay, as you can see, we will press Y. So we are done here. We have added repositories. So now we need to refresh metadata. So for 41 and later, we need to copy this upstream metadata. We need to copy this. Then we need to open terminal again. We'll use Ctrl+Shift+V to paste. It will refresh and the upstream data. Okay, we'll press Y here. We'll press Y here. We'll again press Y here. Okay, we are done here. It's completed. Now we'll come back to our previous page. We'll close this page. Okay, so now to get full FF and PEG support, we need to do this. We need to copy this and we'll paste it here by Ctrl+Shift+V. We'll paste it here. Okay, so it will replace the free version of softwares with the full version. So we'll press Y here. we are done here. Then we'll move to next step. We'll copy this line, additional codecs, and we'll back to terminal and we'll paste it by Control Shift V, hit enter. As you can see, it's installing some more tools. We'll press Y here. Okay, so it's completed. We'll then move to one more step I forgot to tell you there. We need to do this sudo dnf group install multimedia, this one more command. Okay, so everything is already installed, so it's not showing to install anything else, so we don't need to. We will press N, nothing here to. Okay, so the last step is if you are it's a very specific, like if you are using Intel, so for Intel, if you are using laptop that has Intel processor, or if you are using a desktop that has Intel processor, so you need to do this sudo dnf install Intel media driver. Okay, if you are new, if you have like I don't know which generation, but I would say above 10th generation or so. If you have an old laptop that has Intel, so you need to do this command for older generations. For AMD, you need to do this. So my PC is AMD, so I'm going to copy this, and we'll go to terminal. We'll paste it by Control Shift V. We'll press Y. It will replace Mesa VA drivers free world with Mesa VA drivers that has more codec support. So for hardware acceleration, this step is very necessary. For hardware acceleration, if you want hardware acceleration for OBS Studio while recording, or for while editing, if you want hardware acceleration, so this step is very necessary. Okay, so if you have NVIDIA graphic card, so you need to do this. I don't have NVIDIA, so I am not doing this step. I am skipping this step. We are done here. We have installed everything. Your system is now fully compatible with any kind of media file. You just need to restart once, and that's it. Now you have support of every codec, full support. One more thing I would suggest, if you are new and you don't know about MPV, so just install this MPV player. You are done here. Just do this sudo dnf install MPV and you are done. Now you can play any kind of file in this player that is going to be installed, because by default it comes with Fedora comes with this video player, which sucks. This video player sucks, so I want you to use MPV. Here it is. Okay, it's not showing here. Okay, this is with the help of this MPV media player you can play any file. So that's it. That's how you can install multimedia support in your newly installed Fedora 42.